Okay, let's continue with our MCQ for Quarter 4, Data and Probability, Lesson Roman numeral number 11, Creating Scatter Plots and Estimating the Strength of Variable Associations. Number 1. A scatter plot showing that R's studied increase, test scores also increase, forms what kind of relationship? A. Strong positive. B. Strong negative. C. No correlation. D. Moderate negative. Number 2. A data set shows that as the temperature rises, ice cream sales also rise. This is an example of weak positive association, strong positive association, C. Strong negative association, D. No association. Number 3. In a scatter plot of car age versus resale value, the points slope downward. What type of correlation is likely? A. Strong positive. B. Strong negative. C. Weak positive. D. No correlation. Number 4. Absences versus final grades show that students with more absences tend to score lower. The scatter plot likely shows A. Positive association, B. Negative association, C. No relationship, D. Random association. Number 5. A scatter plot between height and weight tends to rise steadily upward. What does this suggest? Letter A. Strong positive correlation. B. Weak negative correlation. C. No correlation. D. Moderate negative correlation. Number 6. Advertising expense versus sales revenue typically shows what type of relationship? A. Negative correlation. B. Positive correlation. C. No correlation. D. Curved nonlinear pattern. Number 7. Years of job experience versus salary most often reflects which trend? Letter A. Strong negative correlation. B. Strong positive correlation. C. No correlation. D. Random pattern. Number 8. A scatter plot between distance from school and late number of times late shows points sloping upward. This indicates A. Positive correlation, B. Negative correlation, C. No correlation, D. Weak relationship. Number 9. Higher temperatures lead to higher electricity consumption due to air conditioner use. What is the likely association? A. Strong positive. B. Strong negative. C. Weak negative. D. No association. Number 10. Online reviews versus product sales show points that form an upward line. The scatter plot suggests A. Strong positive correlations, and then B. Weak negative correlation, C. No correlation, D. Moderate negative correlation. MCQ number 11. Hours of sleep versus productivity shows that after a certain point, productivity decreases. The plot is best described as A. Negative linear, B. Positive linear, C. Curvilinear, D. No correlation. Number 12. Exercise minutes per day as BMI shows that as exercise increases, BMI decreases. This is an example of A. Positive association, B. Negative association, C. No association, D. Moderate positive correlation. Number 13. Years in school versus reading score generally produces A. Positive correlation, B. Negative correlation, C. No correlation, D. Curvilinear. Number 14. Fertilizer versus crop yield shows yield increasing rapidly at first, then leveling off. The scatter plot suggests A. Strong negative linear, B. Strong positive linear, C. Nonlinear positive, D. No correlation. Number 15. Training hours versus performance score produces points rising upward steadily. This is most likely A. Strong positive correlation, B. Weak negative correlation, C. No correlation, D. Moderate negative correlation. Number 16. Fuel consumption versus distance traveled shows a proportional increase. What kind of relationship is expected? A. Weak negative correlation, B. Strong positive correlation, C. No correlation, D. Random pattern. Number 17. Study time versus GPA scatter plot shows a steady upward slope. This relationship is A. Strong negative, B. Moderate positive, C. Weak negative, D. No correlation. Number 18. Age versus blood pressure often shows points trending upward. This type of association is A. Positive, B. Negative, C. None, D. Random. Number 19. Price versus a unit sold typically slopes downward. The scatter plot demonstrates A. Positive association, B. Negative association, C. No correlation, D. Moderate positive. Number 20. Practice sessions versus competition score shows points rising, then leveling. The scatter plot indicates A. Weak negative, B. Strong positive, C. Curvilinear positive, D. No correlation. The answer key for our quarter 4 data and probability lesson Roman numeral number 11, creating scatter plots and estimating the strengths of variable associations. For numbers 1 to 5. For numbers 6 to 10. For numbers 11 to 15. For numbers 16 to 20. And that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M, reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery. See you in our next lesson. Bye!